Hi friend, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I wanted to go over some capsule wardrobe essentials that you can get from Walmart for amazing prices. I know these budget-friendly finds will be just what you need to add to your capsule wardrobe this summer season. First, let's start out with some essential tops. These rib knit tank tops are only $5, and I usually pick up a couple of them every summer season. I'll go grab some neutral ones, a white tank top. These make really great basics and also nice layering pieces for travel. They're affordable. They've got a nice rib knit material to them, very stretchy. There's some high neck options and also some simple spaghetti strap options for you to pick out. I also love the Sofia Vergara line of bodysuits. This V-neck bodysuit is very seamless, easy to wear, and I like how it comes in multiple different color options for you to choose. She also makes really incredible bodysuits all year round, so I know that these seamless ones are going to be great for your wardrobe in the summertime. They fit true to size for me. I'll normally order a medium. This is like an elevated t-shirt in my opinion. Just looks very girly and elegant for only $16. If you're looking for a new elevated t-shirt, consider this one with the flutter sleeves. A cardigan is also another summer must-have, just in case you find yourself in a chilly climate. This button front cardigan from Free Assembly keeps returning back at Walmart. I'm so glad it is because it's one of my favorite pieces that I've ever found from Free Assembly. I have it in the white. It's got these gorgeous gold buttons. The hardware looks very high-end, and this cardigan reminds me of J. Crew. I've styled it a couple of different ways for workwear. You can wear it as a blouse with a skirt. There's just so many great ways to wear this affordable cardigan that's nice to have in your wardrobe just in case you're traveling as well. For dresses, I'm such a dress lover, and Walmart has some really incredible new printed dresses from Free Assembly especially. You can see these gorgeous options in my last Walmart haul. I did a huge try-on haul finding the best new arrivals from Free Assembly, from Time and True. They're also pretty inexpensive, coming in at under $40. For me, they fit true to size. I do a medium. These dresses are definitely selling fast, so I'll have them linked down below for you to check out. And I'll also show some favorites on screen. For bottoms, good linen shorts are also a summer staple. These Time and True linen shorts come in a neutral tone, and I usually pick these exact shorts up every summer, and I'm glad they're back at Walmart. They're inexpensive, they fit true to size. I like how they have an elastic waistband. They're definitely easy to wear if you're by the beach, you're by the pool. You can wear these over your swimsuit as well. These Time and True linen pants are also a returning favorite from Walmart. I still have these in my wardrobe from last summer. They're similar to the shorts where they have that pull-on style. I like that these are neutral. They're gonna go with everything. These are another option if you don't want to fully commit to a true pair of denim jeans for the day. You know, if it's just too hot out, I think this style is that great in between. You get that dark wash look that jeans have, then they're much more comfortable to wear out. If you do want a pair of jeans, might I suggest these new cuffed jeans that come in a cream color from Time and True. I recently styled these with a nice peplum floral blouse in my Walmart haul. I love this outfit. I've actually seen a lot of you clicking on these cuffed jeans to purchase them. They're a great new find. The cuff jean trend is also very popular for spring and summer right now, and I definitely like the look of an elegant cream pair for the summertime. I feel like, you know, the heat is going to be affecting us. It'll definitely benefit you to wear lighter colors in the summertime. I haven't personally tried these new Free Assembly denim shorts yet, but I've heard that they're similar to Madewell, so I wanted to include them as a staple for you. I'll definitely have them shared down below, and I might pick them up for myself. We will see. So far, I don't know, I think I've kind of phased out of wearing denim shorts. I think now that I'm over 30, I'm more of like a linen short kind of gal, but time will tell. We'll see if I pick these up for myself. For shoes, a classic pair of ballet flats is still a nice option to wear with their flowy dresses, to wear with linen shorts, really for any occasion. I go for my ballet flats from Walmart all the time. They're very comfortable. I size down to a 9.5 if you are looking for size reference. They also would look really great with any of the printed dresses that I'm sharing from Walmart as well. These block heels are another favorite and must-have summer shoe. They're $25. They're from the brand Aerosoles, and I spotted these in store at Walmart. I tried on a couple of sizes, and I really loved the look and feel of these block heels. They're comfortable, they're easy to walk in, and I also like how they have that gold buckle detail. You can wear these with the cuffed jeans, or you can also wear these with a flowy dress. We can't forget about accessories. Check out this new Raffia bag. Oh my gosh, I think this is already selling out, which is so sad, but I know a lot of people have got their hands on this new crochet knit purse. It has a shoulder bag style and a knotted detail at the top. I actually styled this recently with one of my new dresses from Free Assembly for an outfit idea that I shared on LTK. I also just picked up this bag from the Pioneer Woman. Normally I don't pick out a lot from the Pioneer Woman, but I did spot this new Raffia crossbody bag. It's only $26 and it looks like a saddle bag that you could get from Coach for like $400. This bag would look great paired with one of the flowy dresses that I mentioned earlier from Walmart, but it would also look just as good paired with a bodysuit and the cuff jeans. Walmart also has some amazing new accessories, some earrings and necklaces from their summer collection that they just dropped. I picked up a bunch of new earrings from the Time and True line at Walmart. I'll show you what they look like. I picked up a couple of these and I also packed them with me on my cruise vacation last month. So I brought the seashell earrings, these drop earrings that have like a mother of pearl look to them. These looked very similar to Kendra Scott earrings in my opinion, but they're under $7, so you can definitely get some budget-friendly accessories as well from Walmart. Don't miss out on any of these summer capsule wardrobe essentials from Walmart. I'll have them linked down below for you to easily shop and check out, and I'll also have them linked on my LTK profile. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button if you also enjoy shopping at Walmart and love affordable fashion. I share weekly videos here on my channel, and I'd love to have you join our community. Let me know any of your summer essentials down below in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.